Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for smart home automation, flagship robot vacuum reviews, automated floor care breakdowns, and smart cleaning technology teardowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a flagship robot vacuum and mop that redefines automated floor care, the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller. For homeowners, pet owners, and busy families, traditional robot mops often push dirty water across floors using flat microfiber pads. The Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller eliminates this flaw by introducing a continuously self-cleaning track roller system combined with a powerful suction motor. At the core of its mopping performance is AquaRoll technology. Rather than dragging a damp pad, the full-width roller mop continuously sprays fresh water and scrapes away dirty liquid into an onboard collection tank in real time. For edge-to-edge coverage, the side reach roller extends outward to clean flush against baseboards and wall corners. Vacuuming performance is equally impressive, powered by a massive 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction. Paired with HyperStream counter-rotating DuoBrushes, it easily lifts embedded sand, pet hair, and heavy debris from deep carpet fibers while actively detangling long hair to prevent clogs. Carpet protection is handled seamlessly through Dreame's AutoSeal system and a 14mm mop lift. When transitioning from hard floors to rugs, the robot instantly seals off the damp roller mop under a protective guard while elevating the assembly to keep carpet fibers completely dry. Navigation and obstacle avoidance rely on the OmniSight 2.0 system, which combines a retractable litter tower, dual HDAI cameras, and 3D structured light sensors. Trained to recognize over 240 household objects, it smoothly maneuvers around shoes, power cords, and pet toys even in low light conditions. Maintenance is almost fully hands-free thanks to the ThermoHub multifunction base station. Upon completing its run, the dock washes the roller mop with extreme 100°C hot water to sterilize bacteria and dissolve oils, empties the onboard dustbin into a sealed bag, refills the water tanks, and dries the mop with hot air. Featuring 30,000 pascals of suction, AquaRoll continuous clean mopping, AutoSeal carpet protection, OmniSight 2.0 camera and litter navigation, and a hot water self-cleaning dock, the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller delivers a complete hands-free cleaning solution. If you enjoyed this Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you trust this 30,000 pascals robot to keep your carpets and hard floors pristine?